Welcome back to the next session. This session we are just going to see that how we can indulge animation into our web page. Animation is like that if you want to create a small gaming application where you need an function called animate, and if you want to animate, you have to include a number of codings. In simple way, if you want to create a small game application, this animate function helps you a lot. So it is a in there is a it is a this function is included in jQuery. Okay, and this animate works on almost all the control in jQuery, almost all the control. So what are its properties? The property is the animate. What is the property? The duration, the easy, and finally the callback. So what is that property? Property is that say for example, if you want to if you want to change the color of an image or an object, and the color has to start initiate with one color and it has to close with another color. So a small example of animation that is being shown in the properties. So this property has been done with CSS. CSS is a cascading style sheet. Okay, what is this? What does that means? That adds a design feature for your web page. Okay, as I said that it's a very vast session. So what are the things that you want to have it in your page? To that extent you can have it. The next one, the next is the duration. How long you want that thing to be played. And what is the easing means the transition effect, whether you want to what effect that you want to have it for an animation. If you are just worked with PowerPoint, probably you know about the animation. I'm just giving an example for a person to understand what way the easing work. And finally, callback when you want to play the application. So these are the properties that you want to insist. And let us see a small example. What are things? So let us explain that with step by step. So step 1, what you have to ensure, you have to add that in the head tag. As I said that you have to download the jQuery through web, and you'll be getting the latest version, and you just download and put it in your system. Then you just take the path and assign it here. So step 1, you have to ensure that within the head tag you should have that jQuery tag. Okay, so that's what is mean here. The next is that we are just going to do some scripting stuff. We are having a scripting. So if you are working with jQuery, you can able to ensure yourself that you'll be having 2 scripts after head tag. One script will be having the jQuery download thing. The other one is that you are coding. So what we are just seeing is a defined code. As I said, the document.ready function. Here we are using a term called animate. When by clicking a function. So here we are specifying which box using id dot animate height transition effect. The other aspect is that one more box we are just assigning the same thing. So you can able to differentiate. For example, I have just made it so, and if you want to make some different, that you can able to show it. So you'll be having a question. So what I'm just giving you a small introduction that, but I'll just leave it to you because you'll be having your own imagination which way that you want to make animation. So it's just an eye-opener session that by which you can able to see that how we can work with animation, right? As I said that the CSS step 3. So we are just providing some design feature for that block. That is we just going to have a orange color and height width margin, everything will be there. Okay, it's a very easy code. Simply you can able to take it up, copy it and paste it, just see how it works. Okay, and finally this is the HTML page where you'll be having assigning that. So you have to ensure, because you are using a hash function, so you have to mention via id. This will be called there. Okay, so while clicking the button you will be seeing some transition in the div box. As simple as that. So by using this 4 step, you can bring animation in your web page. Why I'm just saying web page? Because now we're just going to convert this web page into mobile application. Just stay tuned for the next session.